What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on ICP Internet Computer, which hasn't moved much over the last week or so. As you guys can see, yes, it did take a little bit of a pump and then drop back down in value, so it has been sticking around the $12 mark. And in the last 24 hours it hasn't moved much again, 1.5% down, which again hasn't made a huge difference in value. And over the last week, as you guys can see, it is just about 5% up, guys. The crypto market has been quite slow as well, including Bitcoin. It has been hitting green and red days, but overall it has been maintaining its value. So we're going to be looking at what does ICP have in store for February 2024. Can it pump this month? Can it potentially head over $15? And looking at its prediction overall for 2024, and what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ICP, which is here in purple, and the actual value of ICP is here in green, meaning it is pretty much on target and performing it like it's meant to, as it is very close to the purple line here. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for ICP over the next 12 to 14 hours is an overall fluctuation in value. So essentially by midday tomorrow, ICP should be hovering around just below $12 is what my expectations are. Do expect both green and red candles. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So hovering around its current price range by midday tomorrow is what I'm expecting from ICP. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from ICP over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards mid to end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I am expecting it to head up to around just about $13, just above that price range is where I'm expecting ICP to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So do expect more green days in ICP over the coming 7 to 8 days. However, it is likely to hit the odd red day in between, but once again guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected, as I'm also expecting minimal slow recovery from Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. Now zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken quite of a U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So an overall drop in value is what is expected from the graph. However, with the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting ICP to have gone through an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting ICP to be heading towards the $20 mark is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, reason for that is I'm expecting the crypto market to be slowly recovering and heading upwards from there. However, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming along in April, which should have an impact on the crypto market. But I will keep you guys updated on that as much as I can, but for now I am expecting ICP to go for an overall increase in value over the next 2 months, heading over the $20 mark. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the dark green zone. It is likely to dip down a little bit to about just at around $11, around where it's at the moment, before it slowly starts to gain value, heading up into the blue zone here, potentially by late February, early April, and heading up from there towards the top tier level here in late March, early April, and over the coming months as well, heading over the $20 mark, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale, heading into the CoinMarketCap website here. Before I do that, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in regular or daily updates on the crypto market. You guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off, and this is only for a limited amount of time and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So just to give you guys a brief explanation, what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind I'm a long-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis, but when I do, it is at a very good entry and exit price as well. The second chat is a general chat where you guys can ask questions around predictions, analysis on cryptocurrencies, and I will also give you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. Again, as you guys can see on the screenshot here, but don't worry about the figures here because this is an old screenshot from about a year and a half ago. So yeah, if you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to ICP. We can see here the trading volume hasn't moved much either. It has gone down just about 2%, making it $102 million in trading. So not many people have been trading the crypto right now, as it hasn't moved much. So most people are just holding back, waiting for it to pump or drop back down in value to buy the dip. But I am expecting slow recovery in February, March and April, heading over $20. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ICP. Guys, comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.